Okay, we're actually here to do a leak detection on this system. We got called out just for the leak detection, following a different company. But whenever I see a front-facing unit like this, come here and look at the unit. Super common problem. The back insulation pulls against the system. So you see how the blower setup is? It's turned sideways in here. When this panel shuts, this panel is going to be very close to our blower, and you can see it's already been pulling into it. And then the back panel, you have a similar problem. If you can look down in here, I can see it. You can see that? It has been sucking and pulling away. Now half of this blower right here on that back side, half of the air intake is being blocked by the interior panel. So somehow we need to get back there, secure that piece that has come loose and flapped up against there. And it can be a pain with these. Most common, I see the ones, the design is there's this ring right here. It's like a washer. And the washer is a little bit bigger than the wheel. So you take out these screws and then you pull the washer out and the whole wheel comes out, still attached to the motor. And then you'll have this hole to access that back there. And I'll take plumbing strapping and I'll make like an X with the plumbing strapping, some sort of metal, a washer with a screw, and I'll put it in the points that I can, because I can only access part of it. This one looks like I can actually pull the whole blower out. You have room on the side and above the coil, so I can slide the whole blower out, and then I'll be able to glue that back into place, tape it down, make it more secure. So that's what we're going to do next. Already ran into a problem just trying to take the screws out of this. So you got a couple of screws that come along here on the bottom. And look at this one. This screw from the factory is upside down. So the rest of these we can access to pull out this. This one's upside down. And then look at the top. Look how much room we have. We have, by the way, you want to make sure power is off. If you just turn off this breaker, then you'll still have power on these two terminals and everything else will be off. But you got to find that screw in all this wiring. Pretty difficult right there. So you only have enough room about like this. And you have this in your way, your relay. It's doable. It's just going to be more work. So we'll put a little stubby in there or this with a wrench and get that screw out. And that screw is never going back in. Trust me. 4 screws is fine for holding that blower in place. Oh my gosh. It's brilliant.
You might need to adjust the
direction.
Yeah, this is one of my favorite tools for getting into tight places. It's a ratcheting little nut driver.
Yeah, it's great to be riding with Jessica today because literally, you laughing at me?
It's the best tool. It's a great tool.
I don't have great tools. Probably would be using a Leatherman at this point and getting fired if anybody saw me. Well, after all my complaining, this is actually not that hard.
When you have the proper tools, the job goes easier.
It's amazing. It's just amazing how that works. All right, we should be good for our next. Red is on the bottom of that relay. It's so tight in there. And then black is on that other side. I wonder if I'll be able to put this all back. Just barely. Look at that.
Look at that. Such a manly man.
All right, so back in here, you can see how this has been pulling in and this. And you can see right here, here's the ring of our blower. So this has been sealing against the top hat. And they do have these two. Couldn't they have put those like, in the corners? We'll have to glue this down and then tape it with some metal tape on the corners, and that should do the job. Just gonna really juice it on there. Let it sit for a minute. Putting a crease in your tape. We're going into a corner. Your corner is so much easier to work with.
Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it and got something out of it, if you wouldn't mind hitting the thumbs up button to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the notifications bell to be notified when new videos come out. HVAC School is far more than a YouTube channel. You can find out more by going to hvacrschool.com, which is our website and hub for all of our content, including tech tips, videos, podcasts, and so much more. You can also subscribe to the podcast on any podcast app of your choosing. You can also join our Facebook group if you want to weigh in on the conversation yourself. Thanks again for watching.